I have started selling my merchandise on Shopify. Now the new act, Digital Personal Data Protection Act, has come in, and it is telling me that I need to take consent in the first place. I need to have a consent management platform. I need to have my privacy policies checked. I need to even have a cookie consent notice along with that. I need to age gate. I need to even give them consent in their own native language. It has become really difficult for me as a Shopify owner to run under the new DPDP compliance regime.
Right. So this was the state of affairs when he used to do a business using Shopify. And since then, we have come across many meetings with the CTOs and the founders of Shopify website who are absolutely unaware at this point of time whether they really need it. The very first question when we have a conversation with the founders and the owners of Shopify website, they're not interested, as if it's an option they are trying to evaluate, which is not the case.
Right.
Yeah.
So what also we came through as, I'll talk to my legal team, they'll handle it. But the question comes in the first place, how will they be able to map their data with the legal team? How will they do a record of processing activities? How they would understand what cookies and consent is being fired, what trackers are there. So it becomes kind of hilarious to some extent. But then again, I think awareness needs to come in the first place, and also they should understand how and what the gravity is of this act.
Correct. So whether you are making a revenue of 1 CR, maybe 2 lakhs in a year, all are equally liable. In this law, or eyes of this law especially, all are equal. It means that everyone is liable and for a penalty of up to 250 CR per breach. So the only option that remains for non-following, and if ever, God forbid, such breach happens, is the closure and winding up exercise. That is also a costly affair in itself.
You can wind up your company, but then the costs are high again. What we figured out this problem is that there are no systems arranged in this particular hot point where Shopify companies need to get DPDP compliant. And we have created a specific solution for that, people, haven't we?
Yeah, so we have a very specific connector for Shopify. Whereas now it's now very easy and convenient for the Shopify owners to just download one of the apps, which is by name ComplyDP, on the Shopify website. And once they do that, we get a read-only permission just to extract the schema and the active fields, and not even a scintilla of their actual customer or any PII. We never take any data or extract or ingest in our systems. All we need is the actively utilized schema, which our system fetches, which makes their task very easy and convenient and less time consuming.
So if you're thinking of evading a 250 crore fine, ignorance won't be the best solution around it. How you can actually do it is first understand what is going wrong with an audit, and then start the implementation after the roadmap understanding of the same. How we are solving Shopify DPDP compliance, as people rightly mentioned, of creating exact connectors and not even taking any personal identifiable information. If we were to explain you, if you collect any data of any customer, be their name, mobile number, email, also address, that makes you a data fiduciary. And data fiduciary is someone who has a purpose to collect that data. And even not that, you might have 10, 12 processors who you are giving your data, which you are not even aware of. And if in case, God forbids, a data breach happens, how much would be the penalty?
Maximum is 250 per breach. It can be 50 CR, maybe 100, depending on the kind of breach, and decided by the DP Board of India.
So it does not just become a particular act to comply with. It is going to be a continuous posture to keep your company and to keep your company alive. So if you have any queries, if you want to understand where you lie currently, we can give you a free public-facing DPDP roadmap and get on a one-on-one call with you and help you understand how you can get compliant. So you can just log into ComplyDP.com and book a calendar with us, and we will help you out.
So as they say, ignorance is bliss, but not in this case. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, guys.